Ito na yung chance nyo. Baka masama na kayo dito. Please welcome Sam!
Hi, Will. How are you? I just like to say hi to everybody in Mandaluyong. I'd like to say hi to my family also in La Union, San Fernando, also my friends at front row and everybody at home. My nanay, Tito Ricky, hello. Hi.
Tiga saan ka, Sam? Tiga Pangasinan?
No. I'm from Mandaluyong, pero my mom is from La Union.
La Union.
Ilocano.
Okay. Ano ginagawa mo, Sam?
I just do rackets. Rackets, then I do gigs. Like I dance, I sing.
Missiles? Gano'n? Anong rackets?
No! I mean like, I dance, I sing, I perform.
Racket. Mga
I
ano,
perform.
kala ko.
Rackets.
Kasama ka sa mga
Rocket
missiles.
ship.
Alright. What do you do aside from dancing?
Aside from dancing, actually I don't do anything. I'm just at home. I just stay at home. Pero I like to racket a lot.
Is
I
your
have a
father
request.
American?
Yes, yeah.
Where's
He's
your father?
American. He's actually in the States right now. He's with my brothers.
Can you greet your father?
Hi, Daddy. Stepdad. He's my stepdad, but my biological father, I don't know my dad.
Ah, really?
Yeah.
About your mom. Where's your mom, Rana?
My mom, I'm with my mom. She's here today.
Ah, really?
Yeah.
Young mom, okay.
Yeah.
What is your ambition in life?
I'm sorry?
What is your ambition in life?
Ambition.
Yeah, ambition. It's not amnesia, it's ambition.
Ambition.
Yeah, what is your ambition? Di
Ambition.
ba when you were still young, they asked, what is your ambition? Okay? What is your ambition?
I want to be an artist, a performer.
Really?
Yeah,
Why
yeah.
is it? Why is it you want to be a performer?
Because I like making people happy. Because
That's
just to
nice, huh?
see the expression on their faces that they like to see what you've been doing.
Well, that's
Just
nice.
like you do. Just like you do.
That's nice of you, huh?
Yeah, I know. I mean, my God.
That's right. I like that. I like your opinion about
Thank
that.
you.
So, Sam, do you have a boyfriend right now?
No, I know.
That's nice of you too, okay? What is your motto in life?
My motto. Can I say it in English? Because it's a little bit hard in Tagalog.
No problem with me.
Time is gold. Thank you.
Walang iya ka. Alam ka naman na. Well, Sam, please introduce your... Is it your mom?
Yeah, it's my mom. Everybody out there, to the whole world, I just like to introduce my beautiful mother, Malu.
Wow. Young mom. Hi, mommy.
Hello po, Kuya Will!
Kala ko disente nanay mo. Taga saan po kayo, Miss Malu?
Taga Mandaluyong po.
Okay, kamusta naman? Buti napayagan kayo lumabas.
Opo.
Okay, ano ba ang ginagawa nyo?
Wala po. Nasa bahay lang po.
Ilan ang anak nyo?
3 po.
Ang father niya isang American?
Opo.
Ah, nasa na?
Nasa Amerika po.
Oo nga, American eh. Alam, okay. But anyway, sige, ano gusto nyo sabihin kay Sam?
Ay, tito. Kinakabahan ako. Alam mo yan, mahal na mahal kita kahit anong mangyari. Bayan, Kuya Will!
Okay lang, relax, mami.
Naiyak mo ako. Kuya Will, pahag muna.
Halika. Ganda ng ano mo, pupunta ka ba ng Alaska? Eskimo, okay, hello. Mami. Okay. Iiyak si mami. Okay. Ganda ng mami mo, ha? Bata pa, ha?
Thank you po, thank you po.
Okay. Ano pa ang gusto nyo idagdag sa sasabihin sa anak nyo?
Kahit anong mangyari, hindi ako alis sa tabi mo. Alam mo yan.
Meron ba kayo ngayong kasama sa buhay? May husband ka ba?
Wala po. 2 na lang po kami dito sa Pilipinas. Yung kapatid niya po nasa Amerika po sila.
Bakit? Hindi ba siya pupunta sa Amerika?
Hindi po kasi 5 years na po kami dito. Nagbakasyon lang po kami dito. Tapos ayaw na niyang bumalik sa Amerika. Gusto niya yung ganito na po.
Ah, talaga? Pero balak nyo talagang bumalik, bakasyon
Opo,
lang.
babalik po kami.
Ah,
Babalik po kami.
bakit ayaw mo nang bumalik sa Amerika?
Because I have a dream here. Because the way people treat me here, it's like I have a big potential to be famous or something. So I've always dreamed of becoming a singer or a dancer. So I just wanted to perform. And I think that I have a bigger potential here in the Philippines instead of in the States.
Alright. What do you want to tell your mom, Sam?
Payak na lang. Ayun, ma. Sabi mo, di ka alis. Paano ako pag umalis ka? Pero ayun, I love you too. And I'm just here always for you, no matter what happens. You know?
Okay, thank you, mami. Bigyan mo ng jacket ang mami niya para nararamdaman niya ang pagmamahal ng programang Wawa
Thank
Willie.
you po, thank you.
Bigyan mo ng wheel phone. Bigyan mo ng mga sponsors natin. Nandiyan
Thank
lahat
you,
yan.
Kuya Willie. Thank
Bigyan
you,
mo ng 3,000 pambili ng ano. O, di ba? O, malaking bagay kahit papaano. Galing sa puso namin yan. Thank you very
po,
much.
thank you.
Ano ang talent mo, Sam?
I dance. I'm gonna
Anong klaseng
dance.
Si Jazz, nag-Jazz si Erica, ikaw naman.
I'm gonna do kind of a mix of hip-hop.
Hip-hop.
Kind of. Sexy hip-hop.
She's gonna dance a hip-hop. Here we go, please. Dancing a hip-hop. Sam.
Why you like a clothespin? I make you stand up, I make you sweat. My girl, just gimme, 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 God, me no sky, God, me no ground, God. Me love God, God, me love bad. God, me come on, woman, drive man mad. Come, me take you on a chat. Girl from Trinidad and Baghdad, from East of the bad and girl from Mossad. Enough man, no girl, why them sad? Them here you get bun, that's why them glad. Sing girl, you are. Have a boom sticker. Chicks, don't use that chicken. And if I never stand firm in a two with a spitter. Batman DJ, I sing her like scissor. She ain't that bad, she say, oh, Mr. Bizarre. She don't know when me give her. She never knew a long time me, I look her from the first year when me see her. My girl, gimme, 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 Saga. Gimme, 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 just gimme, 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 gimme,
Thank you very much, Sam! Galing, oh. J. Lola, what can you say?
Energetic, in
Galing.
fairness. May tanong lang ako sa kanya. Because we rehearse in the morning, early in the morning. Can you make it?
Of course! I'd love to. I love to.
7:30 in the morning?
I'll wake up at about 4.
Oh,
4 in the morning, just to get there.
And one more thing, hindi ako nag-i-English sa umaga. Okay? So, intindihin mo yung Tagalog.
Kasi nakakatawa din to, eh, no? Kahit na matanda na to, napapatawa pa ako. Eh. O, alam mo na, huwag kang mag-i-English. Anong tugtog yun?
Gimme, gimme.
Paano? Yeah. Ayoko, di bagay sa akin. Ay, ginagawa ko lang yan sa gabi. Matutulog na ako. Kasi lagi ka, galing ha? Galing ha?
Well, can I have a hug?
Ah?
Can I have a hug?
Hug.
Hug.
Huwag mong patugtugin yan ha? Hug lang ha? Huwag patugtugin yan. Okay. Okay, kiss mo. Alright. Then, galing. Kakatuwa. 5,000!
Thank you!
Kala nyo, ha? Hoy, hindi pa ako bumibili ng mga gamot-gamot na yan. Huwag na, baka masyado silang ma-inlove sa akin, mga. Nakakala. Ikaw nga. Up. Kawang ka. Kamay ka mga puso! Nag-enjoy lang, nag-enjoy. Good luck sa inyo, ladies.